Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the left side, and that was because the blow and valve that the one you see right here, broke off, and it was a lot of water coming out through here and the valves, and it was just leaking all over the place and making a big mess in the counter, just leaking a lot of water through the left side. So we replaced that, run a bunch of water through the machine, make sure there were no other leaks in the machine. We descaled this machine, deep clean everything inside as well, replaced the o-ring from the brew unit, deep clean the shower screen of the brew unit as well, relubricated, deep clean everything around it, and also deep clean the spout as there was a lot of coffee built up inside the machine. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out, then we're gonna be running out the steam and then the hot water. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color from the cup. And really good cream as well. Ounces and it's in quantity as well. Great crema forming at the top of the cup. Looking great. You can even see the lines going inside in the cup as well. Hot water of this machine, as you can see. It's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Really great temperature, working excellent. And now we're going to test the steam. The thermoblock needs to reach a certain temperature in order for steam to for the machine to produce some steam. But once it reaches that temperature, we're going to see steam coming out through the one. As the thermoblock is getting hot, you can see some steam coming out of the one, and as it gets into full temperature, you're going to see a lot of steam coming out of the one like this. And as you can see, working perfectly fine, excellent pressure coming out of the machine, working great. And there you have it, Gaggia Accademia, not leaking and working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.